BSM not available, car won't start. Unavailable safety feature. Potential causes of what could lead to the blind spot monitor not being available. Sensor malfunction. Electrical system failure. Software glitch. Wiring issues. Faulty control unit. Safety system integration. Manufacturer recall or update. Troubleshooting strategies for the issue. The first step is to check for error messages or warnings displayed on the instrument cluster or infotainment system. A simple restart may sometimes resolve temporary glitches or communication errors between the blind spot monitor system and other vehicle components. Verify if other safety systems in your Lexus vehicle, such as the lane departure warning or collision avoidance system, are functioning correctly. Ensure the sensors are clean and debris-free, as obstructions can hinder their operation. If a faulty fuse is on notice, replace it with a new one of the same rating and test if the blind spot monitor becomes available.